What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys it's all about Ethereum, which has taken a little bit of a dip in the last 24 hours. As you can see, just about 5% down, making it just under $1,700. So is it time to buy the dip? Should you wait for it to drop further? Should you sell it, or should you just hold on to it? That's what we're going to be going through in today's video, looking at both buyers and sellers point of view, and also looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2022. Looking at where it's heading to. Is it going to go past the $2,000 mark anytime soon, or is it going to drop below the $1,500 mark? That's what we're going to be going through and looking at. Is it a crypto worth investing into right now? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So as you can see, guys, we do have the candlestick pattern chart on the screen, and we are trading in the green zone at the moment, which is good news, and we have been stabilizing in the green zone, which is again looking good right now. But we'll come back to this later on. Let's have a look at its Coinbase chart. So in the last hour itself, it managed to just about fluctuate at the current price range, but as you can see, it's been quite volatile. Over the last day, 5% down. Over the week, 3% up. As you can see, it was going up in value all up until earlier today. Over the month, it is a massive 38% down. So even though it is up nearly 40%, doesn't mean it has recovered. It is still down quite majorly compared to how it was about 3-4 months ago. So yeah, it is still down, but it's just that over the last 4 weeks, it has gone up 40%. So going into the coin market cap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up by 7% in the last 24 hours, making it $16.7 billion in trading, which is a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on Ethereum. We're seeing a lot of buyers, a lot of sellers, and in general just a lot of people trading the crypto, and I'm expecting a lot of buyers at this point. Let's have a look here. We've got 0% buy against 100% sell, which is absolutely not true. I think Coinbase is bugging out right now. Let me refresh the page. Yeah, as you can see, the percentage is not right, but we can see the color blue. Obviously, we've got way more buyers than sellers, meaning more people are buying the dips right now rather than selling it. And yeah, obviously, this is 100% not true. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here, we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, currently valuing Ethereum at $1,640, and it is trading at a slightly higher value at $1,688, meaning more or less is performing like it's meant to, and is very close to its average value. So yeah, it's performing quite well. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer: this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So let's get into it. On the screen right now, if we zoom in, we can see the blue line and the orange line are slightly looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction. Again, they're not looking too steep, so do expect very minimal increase in value over the coming hours. So over the next 12 to 14 hours, so let's say by midday tomorrow, we should be above the $1,700 mark, potentially going to about 1.8k. But again, it's going to be a minimal increase in value, nothing too crazy. It's going to be small and steady increases, but that does not mean that we're going to be hitting green candles every single hour for the next 12-14 hours. Of course not. We are going to have hours when it's down, when it's up. It's going to be a mixture of ups and downs, but the overall outcome, once again, it seems to be more on the positive side rather than the negative side. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, we're not looking as positive. We've got the orange line looking bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and the blue line was going in a bearish direction. However, it has started to fluctuate out and go in a straight line. So more or less, the overall outcome seems to slightly be more on the negative side over the coming days. So towards the end of this week, very early next week, we should expect it to more or less fluctuate at the current price range. Yes, we may see it go to about 1.1750, 1.800 even, and drop down to about 1.600, but it's going to fluctuate out, and it's going to be up and down, but more or less it's going to be hovering around the current price range towards the end of the week. Now, moving on to the daily chart, again we are not looking too great, guys. We do have the blue line looking bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and the orange line once again flat out going in a straight line. So guys, do expect an overall decrease in value on Ethereum over the coming weeks. So I'm talking about mid-September to late September, we should be at a slightly lower value than what we are at the moment. However, you have to bear in mind that these are my predictions as of right now, guys. This may change according to any major updates, major news that come across that can have a potential impact on the value of most cryptos out there. Something like a major crash or a major huge pump or a bull run or anything like that. These things are not expected, and especially Bitcoin, guys. Bitcoin has a major impact on the whole crypto market. As you guys may have seen, Bitcoin was gaining value over the last couple of days and the crypto market was up. However, today it's dropped about 3 to 4%, and the whole most cryptos out there are down as well. So more or less, Bitcoin, drives the market in a bullish and bearish direction. So what I have put together for you guys to make it easier for you guys, and to make for you guys to keep on top of things when it comes to cryptocurrency, I've made a Telegram group chat where I'll be showing you guys daily price updates and predictions on Bitcoin every single day on what to expect, what to predict, what price target is likely to hit, and I also show you guys what cryptos I'm buying and selling if I do here and there. And again, if you guys want to take part in my Telegram group chat, the link to that will be in the description box down below. It is currently on offer for $14.99 a month using discount code DEC10 for 50% off. However, this discount code here is only valid for the first 100 members that join, because after that it will increase to $29.99. so make sure you're quick if you guys want to join, as over half the spaces have already gone. So there is literally a limited amount of space left before this discount code expires. So what does this subscription exactly include? So you're going to get put into two group chats. One is where I'm showing you guys what cryptos I'm buying and selling. The second one is just a general chat where you guys can ask questions, discuss cryptocurrencies, new projects, and that is also where I'll be showing you guys daily price updates and predictions on Bitcoin, as you can clearly see here, and also give you guys prediction and analysis on other cryptos that you guys request for in the group chat. Any questions, any queries you guys may have before you sign up, simply send me a DM on Instagram. If not, once again, the link is in the description box down below. So back to Ethereum, as you guys can see, we have broken out from the red zone. And when was this? This was in about mid-July, so about three weeks ago approximately. We broke out from the red zone, and we are trading in the green zone, which is very good, and we are slowly and steadily increasing in value. So we are very close to the $2,000 mark, and hopefully trading to the dark green zone by late September. We should hopefully be trading around here over the $2,000 mark. But again, as I mentioned earlier, it all depends on major updates and major news that come across, which I will make sure to keep you guys updated. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Ethereum, guys. Let me know how high or how low do you guys predict Ethereum to go in 2022. Let me know in the comment section down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, guys, I'm going to end the video here. And a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I'm trying to hit 100k subscribers by the end of the year. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys, and I'll catch all of you in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.